In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close Insightly CRM account. If you're ready to move on from Insightly, I'll walk you through the exact path in the app and point out what to expect along the way. A quick heads up before we start, closing your account is permanent and removes your data, so consider exporting important records and saving any billing documents first. Also, you'll need to be the account owner or have billing permissions to complete this. Start by opening your browser and going to the Insightly Home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you land on the main screen. From there, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. This might be your avatar or initials. Click that to open the account menu. This is where Insightly keeps links to your personal settings and, importantly for today, your billing and account controls. In the menu that appears, select Billing and Account. This takes you to the central place for subscription details, invoices, plan changes, and account level actions. On this page, scroll or look for the option related to canceling your account. You'll see a button or link labeled Cancel Account. Go ahead and click that to move into the cancellation flow. On the cancellation page, choose the option that reads, "Please cancel and delete my account." This selection confirms that you want a full, permanent deletion rather than just making a temporary change. Insightly will typically present a brief form asking why you're canceling and offering a space for any additional feedback. Provide a reason that best reflects your situation. Keeping it concise is fine, and use the comments area if there's anything specific you want to share. Feedback can help close the loop on any issues you encountered. When you're ready, locate the Confirm Cancellation button. Clicking this is the final step. Insightly may show a confirmation message and, in many cases, send a follow-up email to the address on file so you have a record of the closure. After confirmation, your account and its contents are scheduled for deletion according to Insightly's policies, and access will no longer be available. That's it. You went to the Insightly dashboard, opened your profile menu, entered billing and account, chose cancel account, selected please cancel and delete my account, provided your reason, and clicked confirm cancellation. Take a moment to verify you've saved anything you might need for your records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process clear and straightforward.